Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another IPSY box this month because I have a very exciting announcement to make. IPSY actually sent this box to me extra just so that I could share this with you. So not everybody has been able to get the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, but as of April, this April 2019, it is now available to everybody. You don't have to already have an IPSY subscription. You can sign up now and get the Glam Bag Plus. The Plus is $25 a month and it comes with 5 full-size products, and they said that they are going to be including more palettes since that's what everybody loves, as well as some skincare. And I don't know if you guys know this, I'm not sure if I've mentioned it. They started doing this thing where before your box ships, they give you an opportunity to purchase add-ons. So it might be a $3 sample size something or other, or a $15 palette, or they have lots of different options that you can add onto your box if you want. So I think that's all really awesome and exciting, and I'm super excited about it. I know I've heard a lot of complaints from you guys that you haven't been able to get the Plus version yet. So anyway, let me show you what's in my box. So I will link my other unboxing in the description box because I do have some repeat items, but I also have some new stuff in this box. So I have the Hilton facial cleanser, which I've heard is actually really nice. I haven't used it myself. It does have perfume or whatever in it, and I have super sensitive skin and I just wasn't interested. So I will pass that along to somebody else. I also have this moisturizer from Feel. This is the Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. You can use this on your face. I have not. I have been using it on my body and I really like it. It has a very light scent, so it's not going to compete with your perfume or if you have sensitive skin, and it just feels really nice, super hydrating. I really like this company in general. They have good ingredients. It's awesome, and it's a nice big size, loving that. And then of course the palette. This one is from Sanchez. This is the Moods palette, which has super fun artwork on here. I love this. And then the actual palette has this great big mirror, as well as some really fun eyeshadows in here. Now, a lot of these are very bright and you can do some super fun looks. I did more of a bright, fun look today. In my last video, I did more of a neutral look, and it does have some more neutral shades in there, which I think is fantastic, as well as these 2 big highlighters. So I have this one on my cheeks today, and then I have the white one actually on my eyes as an eyeshadow, and it has a really nice pink shift to it, so it's really lovely. And I like the quality of the shadows. The formula is really nice. The mattes and the shimmers are both just really blendable and lovely. So I've been really loving this palette. It also comes with a little brush. This is a fluffy end, and then this one is a stiffer angled brush, good for like liner or even your eyebrows. And then a couple of products that were new. This is from a company called Goldfaden MD. One of the things that I love about IPSY is being introduced to new brands, and it's not just IPSY, some of my other subscription boxes as well. But anyway, I was really excited to find this. They are more of an all-natural type of a company. I just sort of perused their website briefly. This one is Bright Eyes for Dark Circle Radiance, and it does have soy peptide, rice bran extract, and arnica. And arnica is supposed to be good for bruises, so I can see how that would help the darkness under your eyes. The texture of it is very creamy. It's a bit on the thick side, but it blends in really easily around your eyes. I have had some sensitivity around my eyes since I've been using this, but that could be because I've been also trying to use the retinol from Drunk Elephant. So who knows? It might be this, it might not be. I'm not giving up on it yet because I really like the texture of it. And then the last 2 items in here are a couple of lip pencils from Girlactik. I thought that these were gonna be eyeshadow pencils, but they're actually for your lips, and they are lip balms. They are very, I mean, it almost feels like a lip gloss. It's very creamy and just goes on really nicely. And the colors are so fun. This one, which is more of like a lavendery sparkle hue, is what I have on today. And I actually put it over a pink lip balm just to add a little bit more color because it's quite pale without anything else. And then the other one is more of a pale pinky. Hope the lights are picking up the fabulous glitteriness going on here. They say they're 3-in-1. I'm not sure why. I guess just because you can, I mean, it's only for your lips. It's not like 3 places on your face. I guess because you can use it on top of a liquid lipstick or underneath a gloss, I think is what it says to do, or just on its own. So you can use it as more like a lip topper, which is what I prefer to do. And you can use it on its own, it's just a bit pale. So, but I really like the texture of them. I have sharpened this one, so it is sharpenable. It's a little bit difficult and it came out a little bit wonky there, but it is, you know, it worked with just a regular sharpener. I mean, a fat one, obviously. But anyway, so loving these, loving my whole box in general, and I am super excited that now everybody can get Glam Bag Plus. So let me know, do you guys already have this? Are you planning on getting it now that it's available? What do you guys think? I am a big fan of it. Since I started getting it a while ago, I do not think I will be going back to the $10 bag. The $10 bag is great. I just really love the $25 box. And in fact, I might end up canceling my BoxyCharm because I like IPSY better most months. We'll see. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!